Oh, how very nice plants here we see, and the beautiful flowers also here. You see there is a mango tree and it is growing, and there is a big guava tree. You see, there is a big guava tree, and uh, trees are our great friends in nature, you see, and these are very beautiful plants, flower plants, and many things. I am just now in front of my house, and you see how beautiful these plants are. They're marigolds, and you see there is different color also in the flowers, and you see it is very fine. You see this is the guava tree, there is a neem tree, and before a building I am here, and it is very fine, and I am in my house. Yes, very good. And trees are our friends. We must love trees, plants, etc., because they supply us oxygen, and we need oxygen in great quantities in this world. So we must love nature. Very fine. I am feeling very proud.